is Brenda and I've been here for 5 years. I first started off in furniture sales way back when we had a bunch of furniture. Then I moved into the samples department, then at the front desk. I even came to be the office manager, and now I'm an account manager. It's a new journey. There's the materials, there's trimming capabilities. We also try to work with what the client's idea is and try to make it come to life. It's all about communication. It's about putting in the effort, sharing your work, showing what you do, and even taking that extra step to help others in your team and take initiative. Long. It's good. It's very thorough. They have a lot of documentation. The best part is it's all there. You just have to know where to look. And there's always someone you can go and ask for help, and they're willing to show you what you need to know. I think the people working together as a team, everyone has different personalities and characters. It's great.